Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Robinhood debit card. First, you'll need an active Robinhood brokerage account. Make sure your account is fully verified and in good standing. The debit card is part of Robinhood Cash Management, so you'll need to enroll in that feature first. This process is straightforward and can be completed directly within the Robinhood app. Once you're in the Robinhood app, navigate to the Cash tab. There, you should see an option to get the card or debit card. Tap on this to begin your application. You'll be guided through a few simple steps, including confirming your details and agreeing to the terms. The application typically takes just a few minutes to complete. After your application is approved, you can easily fund your debit card by transferring money from your Robinhood brokerage account. One of the great benefits is that there are no monthly fees and no foreign transaction fees when you use the card. Plus, you'll have access to over 75,000 fee-free ATMs across the country. Once your physical Robinhood debit card arrives in the mail, the next step is to activate it. You can do this quickly and securely within the Robinhood app. You'll also be prompted to set a personal identification number, or PIN, for secure transactions and ATM withdrawals. After activation, you're all set to start using your new card for everyday purchases.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.